Dear students, welcome to Khan Kingdom Smart Education online classes. Our chapter number 4, simple equation. Now we are attending exercise 4.4. In this exercise, we will make equations on given problem. We will make equations on given problems. Question number first. Set up equations and solve them to find the unknown number in the following cases. Our first problem is add 4 to 8 times. Add 4 to 8 times a number, you get 60. Here is a number which is unknown. First of all, let assume unknown number is x. The unknown number is x. Now we will find the value of x. In given problem, 8 times a number is given in question. Our equation is, as given in question, our equation is 8 times of a number is x. So 8 times means multiply. 8 multiply x. 8 into x. Add 4 to 8x. Add 4. You get means equal to. You get this number is equal to 60. Add 4 to 8 times of a number. A number is x. Now 8 times 8x. Now add 4 plus 4. 8x plus 4. 8x plus 4. This problem is equal to 60. Is equal to 60. This is our equation. The first part of this question, set up equations. We will set up this equation. Now solve them to find the unknown number. Now we will solve the value of x. First of all, here is plus 4. So we will minus 4. Subtracting 4 in both sides. 4x plus 4 is equal to 60. This is our equation. Now we will subtract 4. 4 and 4 cancel. 8x is equal to 56. Now here is multiply by 8. So we will divide by 8. Dividing by 8 in both sides. The equation is 8x is equal to 56. We will divide by 8. This is our divide by 8. 8 and 8 cancel. So here is x. We can cut 7 times. The answer is x is equal to 7. Now we will place the value of number is 7. 8 times into 7. 56, add 4, 60, you get 60. So our answer is correct. Now taking second one. 1/5 of a number. 1/5 of a number, unknown number. Let unknown number is x. Let assume unknown number is x. The unknown number is x. Now 1/5 means 1 upon 5. 1 upon 5. First of all, this is 1 upon 5. Of means multiply. A number is x. Minus 4. 1/5 of x minus 4 gives means equal to 3. 1/5 means 1 upon 5. 1 upon 5. Of means multiply. Number is x. 1 upon 5 multiply x. Then minus 4 gives means equal 3. First of all, here is minus 4, so we will add 4. Add 4 in both sides. X upon 5, 1 into x is equal to x upon 5 minus 4 is equal to 3. This is our equation. Now we will add 4. Plus 4 plus 4. This will be cancelled, plus 4 and minus 4. The equation is x upon 5 is equal to 7. Now in next step, here is divide by 5, so we will multiply by 5. Multiply both sides by 5. X upon 5 is equal to 7. This is our equation. Now we will multiply by 5. 5 and 5 will be cancelled. Here is x is equal to 35. The answer is x is equal to 35. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next problems. Now I am taking part C. If I take 3/4 means 3 by 4 of a number and add 3 to it, I get 21. 3/4 of a number, first of all, the unknown number is x. Let the unknown number is x. Now is given in question, our equation is, if I take 3/4 of 3 upon 4 of means multiply, 3 upon 4 multiply a number is our x, and add 3 to it and add 3, I get means equal to 21. This is our equation. Now first of all, here is plus 3, so we will minus 3, subtracting 3 in both sides. Three into x, 3x divided by 4 plus 3 is equal to 21. This is our equation. Now subtracting 3, minus 3 and minus 3. The equation is 3x upon 4 is equal to 21 minus 3. So this is 18. Now here is divided by 4, so we will multiply by 4. Multiply both sides by 4. 3 by 4x is equal to 18. This is our equation. Now we will multiply by 4. 4 and 4 will be cancelled. 3x. 4 into 18. 72. Now here is multiply by 3, so we will divide by 3. Dividing both sides by 3. This is 3x is equal to 72. We will divide by 3. So 3 and 3 cancel. X is equal to. Now we will divide. 2 times 6. Remaining is 1. 1 and 2, 12. 4 times. 4 times. X is equal to 24 is our answer. Let's take beginning. If I take 3/4, 3 by 4 of means multiply a number is x. 3, 4 multiply x and add 3 plus 3. I get 21 means equal to 21. This is our equation. First of all, here is plus 3, so we will minus 3. Taking minus 3. Now here is divide by 4, so we will multiply by 4. Multiply by 4. Here is multiply by 3, so we will divide by 3. Last answer, x is equal to 24. Now taking part D. When I subtracted 11 from minus 11 from twice a number, the number is x. First of all, let unknown number is x. Subtract 11 from twice means 2 times. 2 times a number is x. 2 times x, 2x. 2x subtracted 11 minus 11. The result was 15 means equal to 15. This is our equation. In this equation, first of all, here is minus 11, so we will take plus 11. Add 11 in both sides. 2x minus 11 and here is 15, the plus 11 and plus 11. 11 and 11 will be cancelled. 2x is equal to 26. Here is multiply by 2, so we will take divide by 2. Dividing by 2 in both sides. The equation is 2x is equal to 26. Now we will dividing by 2. 2 and 2 cancel. X. Here 13. So our answer is x is equal to 13. The unknown number is 13. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next part. Now our next part is part E. Munna subtracts thrice means 3 times the number of notebook he has. If we take the number of notebook is x, thrice a number 3x. This is our 3x. Munna subtract 3x from 50. 50 minus 3x. He finds the result to be 8 means equal to 8. First of all, we will take the number of notebook is x. Let the number of notebooks is x. Let the number of notebook is x. is given in question over equation is thrice the number 3x subtract minus from 50 minus 3x, the result is 8. This is our equation. First of all, here is plus 50, so we will take minus 50. Subtracts 50 from both sides. The equation is 50 minus 3x is equal to 8. Now minus 50 both sides, minus 50 minus 50. Here 50 and 50 is cancelled. Minus 3x is equal to, here is 8 minus 50 minus 42. Now we will, here is multiply by 3, so we will divide by 3. Dividing both sides by 3. The equation is minus 3x is equal to minus 42. Now we will divide by 3. 3 and 3 cancel. Minus x is equal to minus, here is dividing by 3 1 time and 4 time. Minus x is equal to 14. Now how to remove minus? This is minus 1 time x. Here is minus 1. Removing here minus sign, we will multiply the equation with minus 1. Multiply the equation by minus 1. Minus x is equal to minus 14. This is our equation. Now we will multiply by minus 1. Minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus. So the answer is x is equal to 14. So the number of notebooks is 14. This is our answer. Let's take beginning from this question. Munna subtract thrice. Thrice means 3 times. 3 times a number of notebook. Number of notebook is x. 3x from 50. 50 minus 3x is equal to, the result is equal to 8. 50 minus 3x equal to 8. Here is plus 50, so we will take minus 50. Subtract 50 from both sides. Minus 50 minus 50. 50 and 50 cancel. Here is minus 3x. 8 minus 50 minus 42. Now dividing by 3 in both sides. Here 3 and 3 cancel. When we dividing by 3, we get 14. Here is minus, here is minus. In both sides there are minus. How to remove minus sign? We will multiply by minus 1. Multiply the equation by minus 1. Minus 1 and a minus 1. Minus into minus plus, then x. Minus into minus plus, 14 into 1, 14. Answer is x is equal to 14. So the number of notebook is 14. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next part. Now our next part is part F. Ebenhal thinks of a number if she adds 19 to it and divide the sum by 5, she will get 8. First of all, Ebenhal thinks of a number. Let's assume let assume the number is x. Our unknown number is x. Ebenhal thinks of x. If she add 19 to it, the number is x, so she will add 19 to x is given in question. Our equation is the number is x. Now she add 19 and divide the sum. This is our sum, which is divided by 5. Divides the sum by 5, so we will divide by 5. She will get means equal to 8. Ebenhal thinks of a number is x. She add 19, x plus 19 divides by 5 in sum. This is our sum. Now we will divide by 5. She will get 8 is equal to 8. This is our equation. Now we will solve the equation. First of all, here is divide by 5, so we will multiply by 5. Multiply the equation by 5. X plus 19 divided by 5. This is our equation. Now we will multiply by 5. Here 5 and 5 will be cancelled. X plus 19 is equal to 8 into 5, 40. Now here is plus 19, so we will take minus 90. Subtracting 19 from both sides. Our equation is x plus 19 is equal to 40. Minus 19 from both sides. Minus 19 and minus 19. Here 19 and 19 will be cancelled. Remaining is x is equal to 21. Our answer is x is equal to 21. Let us beginning from this question. Ebenhal thinks of a number. Let assume the number is x. She add 19, x plus 19. Divide the sum by 5. X plus 19 divided by 5. She will get 8 means equal to 8. Add 19, x plus 19 divide by 5 equal to 8. Here is first of all divide by 5, because the 5 divides in x and 19 both, so we will take first part divide. How to remove divide? We will multiply by 5. Multiply the equation by 5. In both sides we will take multiply 5 and multiply 5. Here 5 and 5 cancel. X plus 19, 8 into 5, 40. Here is plus 19, so we will take minus 19. Minus 19 in both sides. Here is 19 and 19 cancel. X 40 minus 90, 21. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next part. Now our next part is part G. Anwar thinks of a number. First of all, the unknown number is x. If he takes away 7 from 5 by 2 of the number, 5 by 2 of means multiply, the number is x, 5 by 2 x. Take away means minus, takes away means minus, 5 by 2 x minus 7. The result is 21. First of all, let's assume the unknown number is x is given in question over equation is converting a number. If he takes away 7 from 5 by 2 of the number is x, 5 by 2 x. First of all, 5 by 2 x, 5 by 2 x. He takes away means minus 7 from, we will take minus 7 from the number 5 by 2 of the number. Takes away means minus 7 in which, from 5 by 2 of the number. 5 by 2 of the number is 5 by 2 x. Takes away minus then 7. The result is equal to 23. This is our equation. Now here is minus 7, so we will take plus 7. Add 7 in both sides. Our equation is 5 by 2x minus 7 is equal to 23. We will take plus 7, add 7 in both sides, plus 7. 7 and 7 will be cancelled. Here is 5 by 2x, 5 by 2x, 23 plus 7, this is our 30. Now here is divide by 2. How to remove divide? We will multiply. Now we will multiply by 2. Multiply both sides by 2. Our equation is 5 by 2x is equal to 30. In both sides we will multiply by 2. 2 and 2 will be cancelled. Here is 5x, 30 into 2, 60. Now multiply by 5, so we will take divide by 5. Dividing both sides by 5. The equation is 5x is equal to 60. Now dividing both sides by 5. Divide by 5 and divide by 5. Here 5 and 5 will be cancelled. X is equal to 12. Our answer is x is equal to 12. Let's take beginning from this question. Converting a number. Let's assume the number is x. If he takes away means minus 7 from 5 by 2 of the number is x, 5 by 2 x minus 7. The result is 23. 5 by 2 x minus 7 result means equal to 23. First of all, here is minus 7, so we will take plus 7. Add 7 in both sides, plus 7 and plus 7. These are cancelled. 5 by 2 x is equal to 30. Now here is divide by 2, so we will take multiply by 2. Multiply by 2. 2 and 2 cancel. 5x, 30 into 2, 60. Now here is multiply by 5, so we will take divide by 5. Dividing both sides by 5. Divide by 5. 5 and 5 cancel. X 60 by 5 is 12. You can take a screenshot of this. The next question will be taken in our next video. Thank you for watching this video.